Greetings, amazing viewers! Welcome back to The Big Sweep. Today, we're going to talk about how to stay inspired to tidy up your home. Now, let's embark on this journey to declutter and organize your home with passion. We all know the magical feeling of walking into a clean, organized room, right? It's like a breath of fresh air, an instant mood booster, and a powerful stress reducer. A tidy space can significantly improve your overall well-being and productivity. So, today, we're going to discuss some foolproof strategies to help you stay motivated and keep your home clutter-free. First things first. Set clear goals for your tidying journey. Take a moment to jot down the specific areas in your home that need your attention. Whether it's the overflowing closet, the cluttered kitchen, or the chaotic living room. Having a clear plan of action will keep you focused and motivated. Let's talk about the power of visualization and inspiration. Close your eyes and picture how you want your space to look and feel when it's perfectly organized. Create a vision board or save inspiring images on platforms like Pinterest. Having visual cues and a clear vision can be a tremendous source of motivation. Now, here's a crucial tip: don't overwhelm yourself. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a perfectly organized home. Start with small steps. Choose one area or category to tackle at a time. Focusing on bite-sized tasks is less daunting and provides a sense of accomplishment that fuels your motivation for the next challenge. Who doesn't love rewards, right? After completing a tidying session, treat yourself to something you adore. It could be a favorite snack, a relaxing bubble bath, or a movie night with your loved ones. These little rewards make the process more enjoyable and keep your spirits high. Share your tidying journey with your friends and family or even on social media. Accountability and encouragement from others can be incredibly motivating. Additionally, by sharing your story, you might inspire someone else to start their own tidying adventure. Remember, tidying isn't just a one-time event, it's a lifestyle. Establish daily or weekly routines to maintain your tidy space. Simple habits like decluttering for 15 minutes a day can make a world of difference over time. Consistency is the key to a perpetually organized home. So, this video is our comprehensive guide on how to stay inspired to tidy up your home. From setting clear goals to finding inspiration, starting small, rewarding yourself, and maintaining your space, we've covered all the bases. If you found this video helpful and inspiring, please do us a huge favor and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell. By doing so, you ensure you never miss out on our upcoming content. Click here to watch our next video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.